let me ask you the first question. What is the database and database management system?
Sir, once my father told me database is a centralized and structured collection of data that store on the computer system.
Okay, is there anything else?
My friends told me DBMS is a collection of programs that manage data structure and control access to the data stored in the database.
Okay, thank you. You can go now. Later you will inform me.
Flashback.
What happened, buddy?
Sir, we have a problem in our database.
Hurry!
What happened?
I think the masters ate the papers and we lost some data.
Oh my god. Can you back up?
Bro, we are not using database in our system. We use the traditional approach to process the information.
Then how about our company switch to DBMS?
Shafiq, do you think to shifting database management system is good?
Yeah, of course.
How you can tell that? Is there any possibility, any advantages?
Improved data sharing. The database management system help create an environment in which end user have better access to more and better managed data. Minimize data inconsistency. Data inconsistency exists when different versions of the same data appear in different places.
Next, please. Okay, can you list out the properties of database?
Okay. First of all, is completeness. Users can access the data at any time they want. Then is integrity. The data is always true and always consistent. Thirdly, we got flexibility, which is the data can be always edited and can satisfy the user's requirements. Fourth is efficiency. So when you open the data, it won't have a long time response due to the users can use it quickly. Then last but not least, it's the usability. So data can be accessed and manipulated anytime as the user's requirements.
Okay, next question for you. Make a simple explanation for architecture and distribute the generic for database architecture.
A generic database architecture consists of three layers: the presentation layer, application layer, and data layer. A distributed database architecture spreads data across multiple servers to improve speed, fault tolerance, and scalability. It can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. This approach ensures efficient data access, reduces failures, and enhances system performance.
How the process file server architecture of database management system work?
In client-server architecture of DBMS, the client sends queries, interacts with the database, and displays results, while the server processes queries, retrieves data, and sends responses.
Okay, thanks for coming. We will inform you later. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
See you again, guys. Now we want to save our employee details in database of our company, so that we can ensure that they actually do any process in the company. Yeah, sure.